In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove spacing in between elements. For example, on this website, we have the news and articles section here, but there's a big white space above it before we get to these three sections here. Okay, so there's a big space here which we want to remove, and also there's some more space underneath this. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to remove extra spacing that you don't want when you're using websites that are using the page builder. Okay, so what we're going to do is click the page builder button at the top here, and it's going to take us straight into the page builder. As you can see now, I can edit all the elements within that. So I'm going to go down to the section that I want to change. Okay, so when I hover over this news and articles section, you can see that there's big space here. So I'm just going to click on the settings option within this row, and then I want to go to the advanced tab. Okay, and as you can see here, we've got padding to the top and the bottom of the row, yeah, which is 150, which is quite large. Okay, so I'm just going to knock this down, this padding down to 30, and the same for the bottom, 30. Okay, so you can see that that's removed a lot of that padding from the top here. Yeah, there's still a big gap here, which is the section above. So I'm just going to go into the row above and remove the padding from this one also. So I'm going to go into the row settings, into the advanced. Yeah, and you can see the top and the bottom we've got big padding. So I'm going to change that to 30 and 30. Okay, so that's brought that right up there. And as you can see now, there's not too much space between these two. Yeah. I might want to do this section below here as well, because there's a big gap here. Once again, yeah, these are all set to 150, which is quite large. And I'll do this one as well. They're probably all set to 150. Okay, so the padding is basically the padding within an element. Margins are the margin outside of the element, so it adds extra space but outside of the element, and the padding is the space within the element. Okay, so I think that's fine. So yeah, that's how to change the spacing of between elements.